Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are happy, safe, and doing well today. Today's topic is both powerful and highly practical. How to speak English confidently at home. Yes, you heard it right, at home. You don't need a classroom, you don't need expensive courses, you don't need a perfect environment. If you truly want to speak English fluently and confidently, you can begin right from your home, starting today. So please watch this video until the end, because I will share simple, effective, and life-changing techniques that can significantly improve your English speaking confidence. Part 1. Change your mindset. First, let's focus on mindset. Many people believe, I need someone to practice with. I need a teacher. I need a perfect environment. However, the truth is, your home can be your most powerful learning space.
At home, no one will judge you. No one will laugh at your mistakes. You have complete freedom to practice. So from today, tell yourself, I can learn English at home. I can speak confidently. Confidence always begins in the mind. Part 2. Talk to yourself in English. This is one of the most effective techniques. It may sound unusual at first, but it truly works. Start speaking to yourself in English. For example, I am waking up now.
I am brushing my teeth. I am going to eat breakfast. Today, I will practice English. Make this a daily habit. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, but gradually, your brain will begin to think in English. And when you think in English, speaking confidently becomes much easier. Part 3. Use your mobile smartly. Your phone can be an excellent learning tool. Use it wisely. You can watch English videos, listen to English podcasts, use speaking applications, record your voice. Try this simple exercise. Record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes every day. Talk about your daily activities, your plans, your thoughts and feelings. Then listen carefully to your recording. You will notice your mistakes, your pronunciation, your improvement over time. This is a very effective way to build confidence. Part 4. Think in English. This step is extremely important. Many learners translate from their native language, which makes them slow and less confident. Try to stop translating. Instead, think directly in English. Train your mind to think directly. I will drink water. Practice this regularly. Part 5. Practice daily sentences. Learn and practice common daily sentences. For example, what are you doing? I am working now. I feel tired today. Let's start learning. I will do my best. Repeat these sentences regularly. Speak them clearly and confidently. Confidence develops through consistent repetition.
Part 6. Speak in front of a mirror. This is a highly effective confidence-building exercise. Stand in front of a mirror and speak in English. Look at yourself and say, "Hello, how are you? My name is..." Today, I feel... This practice helps you improve your body language, build self-confidence, reduce hesitation. At first, you may feel shy, but with regular practice, you will become more comfortable and confident. Part 7. Listen and repeat. Shadowing. Choose a simple English audio or video. Listen carefully. Then repeat exactly what you hear. This method is called shadowing. It helps improve pronunciation, fluency,
confidence. Try to copy the tone, the speed, the emotion. Practice this daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Part 8. Create a daily routine. Consistency is the key to success. Create a simple daily routine. Morning, speak 5 to 10 sentences. Afternoon, listen to English content. Evening, practice speaking. Night, record and review your voice. Even 30 minutes a day is enough, as long as you remain consistent. Part 9. Don't fear mistakes. This is very important. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your greatest teachers. If you do not make mistakes, you cannot improve. So speak freely. Even if your English is not perfect, speak anyway. Confidence comes through action, not perfection. Part 10. Believe in yourself. Finally, believe in yourself. Tell yourself every day, I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident. Your belief shapes your progress. So, my dear friends, you do not need a classroom. You do not need a partner. You do not need perfect English. All you need is practice, consistency, confidence. And your home is the perfect place to begin. Start today. Start now. So, my dear friends, we have now come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Your time is valuable, and I truly appreciate that you chose to spend it here, learning and improving yourself. I sincerely hope that today's video has given you not only knowledge, but also confidence, motivation, and a clear direction. Always remember one important thing. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need the courage to begin. Every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner, just like you. They made mistakes. They felt nervous. They struggled. But they didn't stop. And that is the difference. If you continue practicing every single day, even for a short time, you will definitely improve. Step by step, day by day, you will become more confident, more fluent, and more comfortable speaking English. Believe in yourself. Speak without fear. Learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your journey. Because your voice matters. Your ideas matter. And English is just a tool to help you express them to the world. So start today. Start right now. Start from your home. And one day you will look back and feel proud of how far you have come. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to support the channel. Your support means a lot and helps this channel grow so I can continue creating valuable videos for you. Thank you once again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with confidence. Take care, stay safe, and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.